Hi, welcome back to Saas Pro, where we break things down simply and clearly. And today we are talking about how to extend music in Capcut. In this video, I will show you an easy way to extend your clip duration so your music fits perfectly without awkward cuts. Step 1 is to open Capcut on your PC and load the project you are working on, because everything starts from the timeline where your video and music live together. This is important since extending the video helps the music play longer without looping or trimming. Step 2 is to click on the video clip in the timeline to select it, making sure it is highlighted so Capcut knows which clip you want to adjust. Selecting the correct clip ensures the music stays in sync with the visuals. Step 3 is to go to the right side panel and click on Speed under the Tool section, where Capcut controls how fast or slow your clip plays. This area is key because speed directly affects the total duration of the video. Step 4 is to adjust the speed slider to slow down the video, which automatically increases the clip length and allows the background music to extend naturally. Slowing down the clip is one of the simplest ways to match music length. Step 5 is an alternative method where you directly change the duration value, and Capcut will adjust the speed for you. This is useful if you already know the exact length you need for your music. Step 6 is to keep increasing the duration until it matches the length you want, ensuring the music ends smoothly without cutting off. This step helps create a clean and professional finish. Step 7 is to preview the video to confirm the extended duration, checking that the visuals and music feel balanced and natural. Always preview to avoid timing issues later. Step 8 is to click Export and save the extended video on your PC, locking in all your changes. Once exported, your music and video will stay perfectly aligned. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, don't forget to subscribe to Saas Pro for more quick and useful guides.